ओके, दुसरो म्हजो क्वेश्चन आसा, एंड आतां परत ह्यो लीज आतां तुवें म्हणलें ब्लॉक्स जातले, आनी ताजे आतां इमिजिएटली सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टोल्ड स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट स्पेसिफिकली इमिजिएटली ऑक्शन कर. सो ऑक्शन करपा खातीर आतां फॉर्मेलिटी कितें कितें आसतल्यो? एक ब्लॉक्स करचे पडले. आतां 88 लिजीस काय आनिकूय वर्कींग आसात. एक समजा एक 120 जर लिजीस आहा आतां वर्कींग, जाल्यार ताजे कितले ब्लॉक्स जातले?
तशें जावचें ना. पयले सुप्रीम कोर्टान कॅप घातला.
येस.
Cap means only 20 million tons you can remove.
Yes.
So from that you have to move downwards, and we have filed application in the Supreme Court. Amka, you don't give 20 million tons, you bring it down to 12 million tons because these people cannot be trusted. तांकां एक दीस कितें तरी परमीट दिलें ते कितेंय करतात.
Yes.
So you cannot trust them at all. If you want, you keep it under strict control for 1-2 years to see whether they do things properly. If they do things properly, then you can increase it to 20 million tons, or you can increase it to 30 million tons.
Yes.
But you cannot do that right now. You have to put a strict control.
Yes.
That is very important.
So you have asked for the
reducing the cap.
limit to 12 million
12
tons.
million tons.
Yes. Good.
At 12 million tons, there was not much problem in the 90s.
Good.
So not much problem. You can manage those issues.
Yes.
That could be done.
So
there is also the issue. There is also the issue that it is not just ore, but you have to look for other minerals also.
Yes.
Associated
so even
minerals.
with a lesser figure, you will still be able to make the money.
Same money.
Because the system is that right now you are taking what you want and throwing everything else, but you cannot waste the minerals which are there. You must remove it all, so you will get, even with a lower cap, you will get profits.